Hello, this is a new multiplayer third-person shooter game I'm working on. I'm going to show the current progress of the game. I'll press LAN mode and play to start the server. I'll go to the client and press LAN mode and find games. I'll join the server. Okay, so you start out with this robot character, and you can press Y to change your character. And you start out without a gun, so you have to find a gun. There's a gun on this crate. So I picked up the gun, and now I'm going to shoot this other player.